guys, we're there back with the next video, see me? Today we're looking about some curry pork and pop chow, so you can definitely stay tuned for that, because honestly, I always come with some content with new, something out of the box, so you can stay tuned for that. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. Leave a like, you see me, and share the video, and make sure so when you share the video, go and tell the person so you them to subscribe as well and share, you see me, yeah. So share the video, people, and follow me at Jev876, and yes, adventures. The link to page them in the description, so go over there and follow me, you see me, because I always post a snippet of every video I do before it actually post. So go over there and follow me if you keep up to date on what I go on. Yeah, and if you don't subscribe and touch the bell, put it on all to know when time after the job. So I'm spin the camera now and show them what I go on so far. Yeah, so soon come back. Alright, see pork here going out. And this is the pop chow already cut up already. Yeah. And then everything we're gonna use, you know? You have the season, special jerk, ginger, scallion, thyme, everything. Yeah, so I'm soon check it back with the people in time. The pork I cut up, so soon come back. The pork look nice, man, the skin look thin. Pork is my favorite meat.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. So the brown soy, then like what you curry done?
Yeah.
Be here, Penny. But some people love you, you know? Some people love here, then say they in their mouth. No, something I like it, I like it clean. That no people not gonna buy again. Alright guys, so see the pork arnal but cut up. Yeah, and the pop chow don't cut up. So right now, at the time to season it now and put on. So over time in, because they man use pressure and many them things in my time in now. Now 8:11, so when it start, I start time in. Okay, so come up with time while the season up, so when you see what we use and see, you know, work on them things, because everybody use different things, you know. So ginger. Nice pork, you know. Alright people, look at plan change. They were pressure, you know, because really pork tough, so while the pressure is done, because cooking normally with pressure, that take a whole layer. It's just because the pork tough, the pork is not good pork. You see me? So what I do, I'm checking what I could do when time the pork finish or when time is the progress. So soon come back, because right now there's not much to show right now because the pork have a pressure, so soon come. So right now guys, I'm at the shop buy one of the last puppy, you see me? So I do the curry pork with the pop chow with dumpling and banana and some biscuit, but I think I do the biscuit in other video, you see me? I make two videos today, two separate videos, because what the plan, I want to do a series at different teas and different porridge so that I come. So I just record the biscuit thing different, edit the biscuit thing different and put it up different from the curry pork, you see me? So I'm going to shop and go buy the last go, so I soon come back. Guys, today is a very bad day. Look, nice sky, place dark, we're in a Jew. Very bad day, very weathery day. So shop I'm going to go, shop I'm always go. Person of the day right now, so I forgot other shop. Yeah, so I'm checking back when time the pork finish. You see me? I turn on like a tea, so I'm soon come back. Right now guys, banana. This company farm freshly pick a while ago. So I'm showing where I go and walk here. No, I'm not walk here, so walk right here, so over there a long time. Remember to bunch of right here, so there's a slippery, so I'm walk a long road. Yeah man, see banana there. See banana there. Yeah. So them banana here, natural banana, no fertility and them thing there, no natural banana. Either people, long nail people, can't peel banana. So the girl who have a long fingernail them, like a puss claw, can't peel banana. Yeah man. So we take off pressure pack and see what's going on now. So I don't know if it's cool before we take off the lid, you know. Here we get the main. I don't know man, I can't take off any man. See what's going on guys. Tough see you man. So guys, I'll put cheese and plantain. So it's brown stew pork because none of curry, so it's brown stew and done, you see me? With the same pop chow. Yes, so I'll show you when time the pork finish cook. So next time on same back our time the pork finish cook, so I'm soon come back. Alright people, so I put the pork in this pot now to finish cook. Yeah, because basically cook already, so next time I come back, the pork don't cook. So that's going on people. So I don't know night now.
Every time I can go down, we have about 20 minutes left. You can go down.
Alright, say that, so I'll come back. Yeah, I'll cut up everything now.
No, I'll wash out this and put in the mixing flour. Put in them.
Alright people, so soon come back. People,
no fertilizer.
Yeah man, that's how we do it. No fertilizer food around here.
Yeah.
People see them less food they consume with fertilizer, better for you. You see me? Better for you long run. Because if every day be a food with fertilizer, so all that store in you. All them things give you cancer and them things there. Them things that sick you off. You see me? even see him pesticide things and spray the food them. Me believe say the food absorb that. Even see him things and burning it, spraying in place. All that gone on the hurt. And the food draw from the hurt, right? Feed them food and everything you want and draw from the hurt. That means that they might draw all the poison we use and spray in the bush. All go in the food and they consume all that. That can't good for you. I see her. So all them round up and grandma's and thing what man might use. They spray down the bush them and thing. Yeah man, that's not good. Because that's so not hurt and go up my food and they consume that. Yeah man. Even see them spray and spray like cabbage and them thing there. And you believe say the plant absorb some of that. So come below and tell me what you think. So I time now for the with dumpling now. Now what time? Alright guys, so we're now going to say the process when I cook the dumpling and banana and yam and all that. It's because that I cook inside. If you wait on the pork you don't cook to cook them thing there, it'll take one day because as I already explained before, the pork tough. So I cook them inside on the stove. Yeah. So when I see what we are share and all that, yeah man. But then again everybody don't know how dumpling and banana and them things cook already. You see me? Yeah. So what we do highlight are the brown soup pork we do with the pap chow, because I said enough people don't know these kind of cooking. They used to the everyday cooking, the normal cooking. So everybody keep on do the same thing over and over and over and then say boy, try the food, me can't buy food. But at them not experiment and try new things. You see me? Just think outside the box, anything come to your mind, think about it and execute it. Don't say boy that can't cook. You see me? And enough people say, oh Javan, you so pilot yourself. You so got a doctor and then say, oh, you're slow pilot yourself because I come with some crazy idea. Anything come to mind, think about it for a day or two and just execute it. When I think about how I'm going to do it, how I'm going to execute it, I'm just do it. Yeah man, so come on people. Alright guys, so see what's going on now. But soon finish, so I soon time to throw in the factor tonight. So right now I try to pop through tonight now people. So you know so the pop through done steam. Done. Even pop chow with chicken, nice. When you burn some chicken, you don't check pop chow nice. That nice also. Alright, so both that now, see? Dumpling, banana, yam. See banana them nice. See? No blacky banana. White and nice in here. Yeah man. And see pop chow and put there. Yeah man. Good food. Alright, so sharing them along, you know. Banana, a hinana. chop chow and brown stew pork or hand now. Some people don't like them things, you know. They like pork, but pork don't prefer meat. Pork, chicken and fish. Yeah. Alright, we saw the balls, I know.
Some canned juice.
That canned juice?
Yeah.
Yeah, that people saw. But chill on this with some canned juice. Freshly squeezed from the farm. Same way. Yeah man, so no artificial around here. So I soon come up with so check back with it. I have to see there, cane juice. Yeah man, so taste that now. Nice. Cane juice, the tip, the pinch of ginger. Nice, nice, nice. This, I will drink it every day. Every day.
So guava juice, it's in the night.
And in a cup here, guava juice and lemon. So we use ginger, you can use lime or lemon. To me, the lemon and lime in our guava juice, nice and ginger. Just give a different kick, a different vibe, nice. Yes, sauce or banana. So, my good one, the first bite, first taste, so eat what I go on. See that? Nice banana. So the baby can eat it. Just soft and nice. As you go in your mouth, it's like it just start melting. Nice. Some food get from the so come back. See the people don't mash down the food now. Yeah, look in there, man. I people something. Food is bad enough. It's bad, man. Even yam, soft and nice. I something like yellow yam. I like my yellow yam tough.
Yeah.
I like it barky, no juice. Just tough and dry. I like it so. I like it at all. Nothing soft and nice. I just the pork now. I will start because it looks like Uncle Olaga. It's tough. But you better see you, man. Nice, really. The cane juice? Yeah, man. Natural cane juice. And they want you to buy for the road and then chew water and so. Feel long. Nice cane juice. I've been cane juice here. How it's sweet sometimes, you have to take the water tonight. Yeah, man, nice cane. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Because I don't know too much sweet and good. So you can definitely look out with enough more like this, because enough more forward. Just stay tuned, better subscribe to the channel and touch the bell for all and share the video to people that think they don't want to watch the kind of video. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about the pork and the pop chow. And you definitely try it at home. Okay, nice. Even burnt chicken, pop chow, nice same way. Yeah, man. So you have steam pop chow. I eat it now, you can cook in a meat. So stay tuned for more video. Yeah, man. All them want food, but they now get none. Ban them.
Thank you so much, Sabrina. Want to remind you that Kuna
Not up the door.
No, man, all the chefs like the same way.
Yeah, man.
We done shell out my food. You know? This amount of left, toast left.
My first stop this afternoon is at
But
Essential.
very full.
And I'll be speaking
Full.
with the CEO.
I'm catching back in our next video. So, look more.
Yeah. Little more people. Next thing
One love.
the original rice and peas, jerk pork, fried chicken, sweet and sour style. You hear it?